Make some more fucking noise than that. That's motherfucking LSD for your ass.